Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by checking essentials. Make sure the battery is at least 50% or plug in and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Once done, back up your data to Samsung Cloud or Google so nothing is lost if the update resets settings. Next, open Settings, search for Software Update, and tap Download and Install. This begins the device scan for available updates. You're initiating the update process now, not waiting. This reduces risks and saves time later when larger files download. You'll watch the download and manage storage as the update arrives. If the device warns about low space, free up room using Smart Manager or uninstall unused apps. This prevents download failures. Once the package downloads, the phone verifies integrity. Do not interrupt power or Wi-Fi. After verification, tap Install Now or schedule the install for off-peak hours. This step actually applies the update and may take several minutes. The system will reboot automatically to finalize. You'll finish by confirming the update. Go to Settings, About Phone, and verify the build number and security patch date. Once done, sign back into accounts and check app behavior. Update apps in Play Store to prevent crashes. If something goes wrong, try rebooting into safe mode and repeat the update, or use Samsung's Smart Switch on a PC or Mac to reinstall firmware safely. Finally, make sure automatic updates are enabled so you don't miss future security patches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.